Hello and welcome aspiring Claretines. Greetings from St. Claret College, Autonomous, Bengaluru. Thank you for your interest in St. Claret College, Autonomous, Bengaluru for your higher education. SCC is one of the highest ranked colleges in Bengaluru. I am happy to be your guide through the college admission procedure in this short video. Let's dive right in. Let us look at the online admission procedure first. First thing to do, please visit our website claretcollege.edu.in and click on Apply Now on the right side of our homepage. You will reach the registration page. Click on Register, enter your name, course, email ID, phone number and create your account. Once you have registered, you will receive the username, a 6-digit password and URL address via the registered email ID. Enter the credentials to log into the online application portal. The site will redirect you to the respective sections of the application. The application form has 4 components: personal details, educational details, certificates, payment of application. In the first section, the candidates should enter their personal details. Please note that fields marked in asterisk are mandatory. If the permanent address is same as the communication address, hit the click here is same as permanent address button and automatically the values will be entered in the respective fields. Then click on Proceed button and the user will be taken to the next section. Note that without hitting the Proceed button, the next section cannot be filled by the applicant. Then fill out the educational details in the second section. The candidates should fill out the marks in the table as per the qualifying exams by clicking on Board and Stream. Then click on Proceed to navigate to the third section. Here, the candidates should upload their valid certificates in the format enlisted, JPEG or PDF less than 1 MB. Then again, click Proceed for application payment. Click on the Make Payment button and you will be redirected to the payment gateway. The candidates can choose the preferred payment method to complete the application payment. After application payment, click on the Final Submit to complete the application. Once the payment is successful, you will get application number, example 25UGXX, for your future reference. Candidates can view their application status on My Application tab. You can download the application form from here for the future reference. And you have successfully completed the online application to St. Claret College Autonomous. Our admission department will get in touch with you regarding the tests, interviews and the rest of admission procedure. Now, let us take a look at the offline application process. The prospectus is available at the college office and detailed instructions on how to apply can be accessed at the admin office counters. Candidates are required to submit 1 photocopy of all relevant certificates at the office counter. Reservation category candidates must also submit a photocopy of their caste or category certificate. Please note, original certificates should not be attached. The applicant will be informed about the schedule of entrance tests and interviews. Kindly be present on time for the tests and interviews. After the test and interviews, the selected candidates will be given a time frame to make the payment and take admission. The applicant should be present for admission along with the parent or guardian. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out at St. Claret's admission office at 6361 718834. Best of luck and we hope to see you in St. Claret campus.